61. Among all possessing assets, having intelligent children, the only best wealth, not other assets, is not being known by us, was not being known by us, will not be being known by us. 62. Parents are not being approached, were not being approached, will not be being approached by misfortune in their seven births because of having children with good qualities and no faults. 63. No passive voice. 64. No passive voice. 65. Pleasure to our body and ears are being given, were being given, will be being given by hugging children and listening to their words. 66. Their small babies' most interesting, mesmerizing talks are being first listened to, were being first listened to, will be being first listened to by them, then blindly saying that musical instrument, the flute and the lute, pleasant to hear when played. 67. His initiative as a dedicated worker and guide to others in his profession is being shown, was being shown, will be being shown by his father as a gratitude to his son. 68. Happiness to everyone living in this world is being brought, was being brought, will be being brought by our children, more knowledgeable than us with their good actions. 69. No passive voice. 70. No passive voice.